Outside of the town Sundsvall in the middle of Sweden, we found the world's biggest fermented herring can. And I'm just taking a look here at the world's biggest factory who produce fermented herring. The brand is Oskar. Everyone have a break just now, and they just got in some freshly fished herring. Wow, so much. Normally it's filled up here with fermented herring and the can is going into the machine. The lid goes on and everything runs smoothly, ending up in one of very many freezing rooms. But just now, oh look. So much herring. This is all heads, shot by Madame Guillotine. Heads, coming from the machine upstairs. Yes, that's we'll be ready for August 2018, and the premiere is the 15th of August every year. But if you're a true lover of fermented herring, it's Janne. If you're a true lover, it's the old year. Janne. This is the second generation of fermented herring makers. Janne Söderström. Look there. May I ask, was it 1954, 52?
1954.
Yes, 1954. So 2024 you will have an anniversary again. So if you haven't tried, you gotta try. So Janne, thank you for doing this. Bye from Oskar. Woohoo!